is the activity on algebraic identity. The objective of this activity is to verify the algebraic identity a minus b whole cube, which can be written in two different forms: a cube minus b cube minus 3ab times a minus b, or if you expand that, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let's study the concept in hand first. When we have an identity like a minus b whole cube, you can actually derive this using multiplication of binomials, and this is the algebraic method: a minus b times a minus b times a minus b. So when you multiply two brackets, you will obtain the product a square minus 2ab plus b square, and when you multiply that by the next term, that is a minus b, you get six different terms: a cube minus a square b minus 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab square and minus b cube. Here you can see we have some like terms which we can combine into a single term, and that gives a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube as the required identity. The same identity can be derived through an activity. Let's see what is the material required for this activity. We required a cardboard sheet, glazed paper sheets, sketch pens, white drawing sheet, and for sticking purpose, either Fevicol or gum. Let's see how this activity is performed.
So for this activity, you require a cube whose side is a minus b, and therefore the volume of this cube will be a minus b whole cube. Likewise, you require another cube whose side is b, and therefore the volume of this cube will be b cube. After this, you require some cuboids, and these cuboids will have the length a minus b, the width a, and the height b, and therefore using these dimensions, the value of the volume will come out to be a minus b times a times b. We require three such cuboids to reach the identity a minus b whole cube. How do we do this? If you add all these volumes, you will have a big cube whose side will be a. So the side of the big cube which you will obtain will be a, and therefore the volume of the big cube will be a cube, and that volume a cube will be obtained when you add all these three volumes. So a minus b whole cube was the first cube, then we have three cuboids of this volume, so plus 3 times a minus b times ab, and plus one small cube of volume b cube. Now from this, if you take these two terms to the other side, you will derive the identity a minus b whole cube, which is a cube, then minus b cube, and then minus 3ab a minus b. This is the identity which we can derive using these cubes and cuboids. So we require one big cube, one small cube, and three cuboids. You will combine them in the form of a big cube of side a, and then add all these volumes to get you the volume of the big cube, that is a cube, from which you can derive the formula a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, and that completes our activity.